Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to hide trends for you on the X app, also known as Twitter, when you're using it on your PC. If you've ever opened your feed and felt overwhelmed by trending topics that just don't interest you, this quick guide will help you take control of what you see. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the main menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options, but what you want to click on is More. It's usually near the bottom of the list. After you click More, a new menu will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your customization and control options for your account are stored. Next, find the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Click on that, and then choose Content You See. This part controls what kind of information appears in your timeline and on your Explore page. It's the key area where you can fine-tune what the platform shows you. Under Content, you see Locate and click on Explore Settings. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice an option that says Trends for You. If that box is checked, it means X automatically shows trending topics it thinks you'll like, based on your activity and location. To hide these trends, simply uncheck that box. That's it. Once you do that, the platform will stop showing personalized trending topics, and you'll have a cleaner, more focused experience. You can always come back and re-enable it later if you change your mind. This small setting makes a big difference for users who want less clutter and more control over their social media environment. Whether you use X for news, networking, or just staying updated with friends, customizing what you see helps you stay focused on what truly matters to you. And there you go. Now, you know exactly how to hide trends for you on the X app on PC after the new update. Thanks for watching.